Good morning, y'all. Being a notary, it's almost that time to file your taxes. Since as a tax prep, I can tell you, you can file your business within your personal business with a personal job, or you can file it separate. If you file your notary business, you're going to use your EIN number. But you have to make sure you gross enough income before you can file. I think it's no more over 600 and more, or 600 and higher. So that's the only reason you will file. And the job that you are applying for the notary business, the companies, the platforms will send you out a W-9 form, or a 1040 form, or a W-2 form. One of them, they email you or fax it to you or scan it, mail it to you, wherever is that necessary. Once again, we almost about to close that time to file our taxes for being in the year that we open up our business. From the time we open up our business to the time we have been working, everything you have saved up, as in like a scanner, you want to make sure you have everything listed. What I say, everything is listed where you can get that credit for. As in, you want to make sure everything is been written down, save your receipts. If you have a scanner, you can scan it into your system. As for sure, if you bought a printer, you have that receipt. You bought printer paper. You drive. You're a mobile notary also as well. You want to do that one. You want to use your mileage from the time you left the house to the time you got there, and in between business drop-offs. You want to make sure all that's down. There also is an app called Notary Getup, I believe, that will check your mileage for you in your assignments. Don't quote me on that one. But once again, if you did not recheck your mileage, you want to kind of check your mileage from here on out, or from now. If you bought a printer, if you bought a scanner, you buy printer papers, you buy supplies, stamps, business cards, anything got to do with your notary business, you want to write it off. 5 out of 10 days, not going to write off every little thing, but the big stuff do counts. The printer and your gas is the main thing, to write it off as a business. And make sure you have your mileage you have wrote down. You can also just put in a notebook the time you got there and the time you left your house, write down your mileage, and the time you get to the client's house, you write your mileage on like that. So therefore, you know your mileage your ratio already. Also too, if you do run as well, you can write that off some way, because you just run, that is just a business. But you get your notary journal, my one froze, your notary journal, and watch or see how much that income is too, for you can claim it as well. 5 out of 10, some companies just put it all together. If you're doing if you're doing one company, but 2 in 1, as in you are Ron, and also you serve the community too, so they put it all that together also as well. So once again, this is almost that time to file our taxes, to be a notary business. So you want to make sure you have all your paperwork together neatly for your tax prep, or you file it for yourself. You want to use your EIN number, because that is the business name, not your social security number, your EIN number, to be the main thing that you want to use. If you have any questions, you should talk to a tax prep or your account manager, if you have one, someone that can guide you in the direction that you need to, for they'll give you the runarounds. This is Latanya about notary business, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.